This is a show about drag queens doing dumb shit.
Talking bullshit.
Fucking shit!
We are your Broadgate queens, and welcome to the Broadgate Broadcast Episode 7! Kapuso. Char. Hello! Hi!
Hello! Hi!
Good evening, mayong adlaw sa tonight. Welcome to episode 7 and for today's episode, ang atong topic kanang ginatawag nga intimacy.
Intimacy. Kung babae, intimacy. Kung lalaki, uncle-macy.
Funny ka to, te. Alam mo ba?
Hilarious. Oh my God.
So mga ate, when it comes to intimacy, what's your definition?
Sa intimacy?
Dili, sa uncle-macy. Charot.
Fine.
How do you define intimacy or kanang being intimate with other people? Oh, sige. Letter A. Charot. Multiple choice din siya.
Correct.
Ikaw.
Sige, for me, kana
Chun-Li mang ka today. Char.
Nga busog.
Ala.
Chun-Li nga
Happy
busog.
going back.
Fairy.
Intimacy, for me, kanang close-knit. Example, na intimate party or like, are you an intimate person? So like, private.
Close-knit. So, dapat na-knit.
Yes.
Knit.
Volleyball, nainit.
Oo. Sama siya nga knit. Knit
Sorry,
fully? Charot. Check ka.
Bonit.
How about you, Beyonce? Kaya ka to tingin.
Beyonce chaperone.
Dili ka.
Jean Grey. Check.
Kwan siya.
Ariel.
O, sa tayo na lang.
Sige na.
Sige, go.
Intimacy. Something...
Intimate.
Oh.
Yun na yung mas...
Something related na po sa iyang
What's your name, ate? Dapat
buo.
Tapiin.
Charot.
Iyang ko. Wala ka ni-study, ha?
It really depends, Manggod.
On who?
Basta it's
Magpasabi ba na?
relationship kineme, mga inana.
Akin naman li kay Uya.
Ulo ko iyong.
Di, friends siya mo?
Single.
Wow! Gapadahog ka, ate.
Wala, single.
Pero di ba kayo pala na kanya kape kaniha? Check ka. Sana all kay
She's
single
mostly
for the
the
kape.
table 12.
Charot. Gamay
Panira
ka.
ng mga kuain.
Pero ate, unsay mong definition ng kuan? Ikaw ha, nakipag-kuan, mo sa mga tao.
Being intimate.
Taga-side ang kape.
Oh, yawa.
Okay, ano ka ba ko diri?
Intimacy, kana siya, closeness. So like, it really matters kung how do you describe your relationship intimately.
Balik siya dahil.
Be, ikaw, be.
Ang next episode na to, check.
Episode 8.
Kuan, for me, ang murag something similar po sa inyo ang definition.
O, diba? Namupira siya.
Pero mugna ko.
Okay, go.
Kamara.
Sige.
Kamara. For me, ang intimacy is kanang when you're close with each other, na you're able to share mga secrets, for example, mga butang dili nimo gina-share sa ubang tawo.
Secret gani, na rin secret nga i-share.
Ay, pagbuot dahil ako ng definition.
If tabihan ka, murag si Blanc.
But kana siya, kanang
Chika.
you're able to share things with that person or other people nga you don't necessarily share it with others or with a lot of other or with the general public. General public market.
Correct.
So, kamo, have you been intimate with others? Oo. Define. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, like there are things...
Okay, yes or no mga tumak. Oo. Ako lang.
There are things nga I consider intimate. Wow.
What are your, how are you when you're trying to be intimate with someone?
Oh my God.
Wala pa yung fingeran na ha? Check ka. Kanang, wala, pag finger agad. Wala,
like
gano'n
based on, for like karon, it's something na
sige.
Kami rin maka-describe.
Ay, line up. Sige, ito yung invite. Mo.
Diba? Alisa lang.
Sige, tawagin
Because
na.
there's something nga kanang for us nga it's really hard to define. But then but the same yung murag somehow mag-abot me but technically it's something na for us it's intimate kay murag.
Kamo-kamo ra.
It's not nga kami camera but yating
Ala,
na
group
siya.
din
Muna
siya.
daghan day ubay-ubay.
So, ano ka po?
No, I mean our relationship man God is something na kanang it's hard to define. However, both of us murag kalingi lang we understand things out. Something like that. Murag ma-feel na namo ang tanan. Hoy! Si OA.
Kada ka malingi.
No? Something like that. Kana murag it's hard to define lang gid siya. Then murag na something murag amo lang, murag feel na mo kami lang.
So basically, what you're trying to say is, mo siyang i-consider nga intimate
Yes.
because kamoy nakasabot.
Something like that.
It's something nga you share.
There's the closeness. Closeness! Okay na murag there's something for us it's
Your own language.
yes, nga we really differ from others.
Wow! Medyo pasikat ka to.
Oo, ay tubot sa sabi ako.
Huwag kayo ba sila No.
Okay, go moving on. Sige, how about you, Maningning?
Obitaw.
Oo.
Have you been intimate with others or how do you define
Yeah.
intimacy with like friends, your family? Kasi sometimes ang intimacy, dili ba dapat uyab-uyab
Yeah,
lang, di
correct.
ba? Dili man siya limited.
Wait, that's friendship.
Friendship dito yung so good. Like, go.
Describe the name niya.
Like intimacy. But ikaw, how do you define your intimacy or how do you know nga you're being intimate with someone?
I would say na I'm an intimate person kahit keep it private lang or close knit. If na yung mga events or like something celebration, family lang, then close friends, something like that. So, yeah, so I can relate it to that.
I see. So, more going back to your definition nga kanang close-knit, dyan siya. Dapat lang dyan knit.
Yes.
Oo.
Close-knit.
Oo. Basketball knit.
Close-knit,
volleyball
fully.
knit. Fishing knit. Charot.
Fish-knit.
Pakunta na po ko, Day.
Sige. Ay, siya po. Oh. Day.
Same question.
Ay, bastos ha. Pumutahan na. Wala po.
Sige, ikaw, Day. Oh,
host.
yes.
Dili ba?
For you, what? How do you define intimacy po?
How do you get intimate with
Yes.
people?
Usually, maghubuan na yung dayon. Charing! Check. Just like, sama mo kong family, like akong early sa akong family, dili kong kayo may like super close. But I feel kanang how we display our intimacy with each other is kanang if we talk about mga stuff nga related sa family, for example, kanang mga butang mga amo-amo or dili na mo i-share sa like amo mga kaparintihan. Kami rin yung nakabalo. So that's our sort of way of being intimate with each other. But ikaw, do you have a partner? Are you
I know, I'm
currently
single.
Kasi I was gonna ask kunta, or let's say for example, ikaw,
If you have a partner.
ningon mo ka nga intimate ka nga pagkatawo, di ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw na yung mismo ningon na on record to siya, videoan to siya, may
In
camera.
a sense that na private person lang ba?
Oo, but ikaw, if ever makauyap ka, how do you think you're gonna display intimacy within your relationship, for example?
Thank you for that question.
Yes, you're welcome, Jigglypuff.
Good evening, the board of
The biggest loser.
Board of Trustees.
Board of Trustees. To answer the question,
What's up, Marissa?
I'm not sure, but
She didn't like my answer.
answer.
Okay, go moving on.
But yeah, I'm not sure since wala ko experience with being in a relationship. But if in
gani, Maningning, last na lang pa.
Wala ko naman ang statement.
sorry.
Ikaw na lang. Basta taga-science high, kinag siya pag ikaw na
Crush
batasan.
lang, crush.
I feel the rush.
Char.
What?
Go. Troy Sivan.
Sige.
Go.
Oh yeah, going back, if naka relationship, to be intimate with a person, I think in a sense na one raw will like to spend kanang magkuyog ra mo do wala na kay ganap, like the company within each other. Pag ganun ako ingana.
So, ganun mo
Angat lang.
kamo ka, John.
Yeah.
Dili share.
Wala na dyan, may tubo sa bagla sila.
Bantay mo niya kung post sa Facebook, ha? Mag-post sa Facebook sa baon
Mag-soft launch na ni.
Charot, o mag-soft launch. Kamot-kamot lang. Or ganang i-filter out ang nawong kunuhay.
Sa low-key.
No, soft launch, no?
correct.
Low-key. Very Gen Z kayo ng mga terminology. Pero going back on kanang mag intimacy, what's your kanang ideal date? Ikaw, naman kay kame-kame.
It really...
As someone from Science High, what's your ideal date?
Ano ko lang na-issue na someone from Science High? Hello to my fellow Seashans there.
Seashan, Seashore,
Sibulan Science High School. Kasi baka yung madusyan ko ha.
Seashan, Seashells,
Seashore. Charis. Ideal date. Before I ganahan kay ko, masuya kay ko ng mga candlelight kineme. Diba? It's very romantic pero never pa na ako siya na-experience though.
But karon, like,
hopefully.
how do you do it?
Pero karon, coffee date, mostly. Kay we both love coffee, man. So, coffee date, or depende lang kung sa mahunahunaan.
But usually, your ideal date is kanang low-key ka po.
Yeah,
effort
something like
ka.
it's not the date, the usual date nga. Come on.
Ano siya nga date? Sunday? Monday?
Tuesday.
Gusto mo ba na kanang ganan sa bongga? Di ba ka dapat may balloons, may fireworks na lighting,
Dili na social media na buwan.
Dapat
Dili na po ta magikompetensya ng fireworks.
Dapat may something edit.
Amo kay mga yatla. Charot. Anyway, as simply as having even kanang mag-coffee lang together, we won't consider it a date, but something na kanang it makes us comfortable. It makes us nga kanang we're happy to doing it, something like that. At least we can talk. Kanang more talks mong god, sige na istorya. Take ang libak. Yeah. That's our bond. Say hi.
How about you, Maningning? What is your, let's say, nagkauyab ka, for example,
Right.
in the not so distant future, mga, let's say, 2 kilometers,
Right.
then nagkauyab ka, nangon si loving kain kanang mag-date ta. Let's be intimate with each other. So, unsa man imong ganahang, kasi mo ang buhatay. Mag-braid, mag-wig, unsa man. Mag-steam mo sa wig, unsa man siya. Manahig mo?
Maglakaw sa downtown.
Magbato mo og costume, unsa man siya.
Sige, go.
For me, I guess,
Pagyo dapat.
ilang me, sa may nice na date idea. I know, like, mukhaon and then sorry na after.
Kasi kano
Secret.
Sabi magkabigawan sa maningning.
No. So, unsa ni siya? Do you prefer, are you a lunch person? Sabi ba niya, like, dahan sa breakfast to be different, di ba? Like, you start the day together, for example, or do you...
I got to dinner tonight.
Ala! Holo!
Wala ko ga-expect ito maningning. Nagana sa
Hindi pagka-hold up or usay.
Oh my God.
Pagka-snatchers. So, dinner. Dayon, unsa man yung button sa, like, what's your... Unsay, take us on the date. Unsay menu?
Actually, imuhanin nga show.
Imuning nga show. Imuning episode.
If not interested, please.
Sige, kami kunuhay ang waiter. Kami kunuhay ang waiter.
Maningning for sale.
Hello, ma'am or sir?
Asara.
Sabi sa, at least.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am, sir. Here's our menu. What do you want to order?
I'll say, chef special.
Wow.
Wala may siya.
Actually, ikaw ang muluto.
Surrenderian din siya. Charot.
Kana lang, kana.
Ikaw, like, kung sabi mo ganahan, like, fine dining, ano ba, magmakdo ba ta today?
Ano, one course lang.
One course. IT, ano?
Ano ba siya? Inter? Chara, check ka. Sige, like, unsa man?
Asara ka, meal, dayon. Go na.
Sure ka, Osara Camille.
Walay dessert.
Night dessert, and then second
ayan.
dinner.
O, di ba?
Akala mo one course na.
One course.
Sunod, two course.
First dinner, then another course, second dinner. Pila ka mag-dinner dahil?
One
Next
course,
lang.
BSIT, and second course kay, BS Management.
Ala, very familiar, very me.
Sige, go. Doon sa pamalain, sige, go. Man mag-dinner, for example, nag-dinner na mo, ikaw na mo, nag-dessert na mo. Sir, here's your bill. Thank you for coming. Siya man ka pa dalawang maningning after si date.
Magpasta sa restaurant.
Wala ba? Gusto ko hugas sa plato. So, nang gawas na mo. Hindi pa rin na magpudikap.
From there, mulakaw na lang.
Kuya, we're gonna go somewhere else.
Maglakaw na sila. Mabuot yun siya ay.
Malakaw na mo sa padulong.
Director food.
Left or right, depende sa mood.
Yung pagkapiston.
No. Sige, ikaw na lang, Day.
Sige.
Since morag namong, ikaw man siya yung pinaka-OG.
Hoy, grabe siya.
Pinaka-OG of mga intimate
I'm just
relationships.
I'm just 16 years old.
16 years ago.
Sorry, 15 years ago na po.
Okay, go. Sige, anyway, moving on.
Pangutan
Sige,
ako.
Ikaw.
What's your ideal
yeah,
date?
correct.
Char. Ang akong ideal date, actually, ganun ko mga ideas man. So, labi
Give
ito.
us 10, 25.
Sige, number 1.
Okay, go.
Mag-chart. Lami ang kuan, lami ang dinner. But that's very common namang good, no? Feel like ko usually mag-dinner, usually ka ng mga fine dining, tumahalon kay para inyong maka-afford. Okay.
Try
Siyempre.
dinner under the sea.
Pwede po, dinner mo, pero mood to. Mag-dinner, then i-post-post sa social media. Charing, kay ino pa ino maka-afford. But nice ang dinner. Then,
Pamilya.
hala. Check ka.
Okay,
Pero,
moving on.
I've tried one time, katong napakuya. Ay, char.
Oy!
Katong I still had a boyfriend. We did some brunch.
Brunch.
Brunch. In between na siya breakfast o lunch sa mga
Kabalo ni Day.
Sa mga taga-bukid lang. Brunch siya. Una,
Taga-bukid rin ako.
In fairness ka ba?
Very fun. Oh my God.
At least, truthful
Sa mga
ka.
taga-bukid.
Keep it up.
Si Atangan.
Hala! Madugay pa rin kay bukid-bukid po siya. So mga next week pa nagbuhay.
Anyway, moving
But
on.
anyway, lami man ang mag-date nga kanang brunch. Kanang mga hayag-hayag
Yeah.
pa, kanang dapat mong energy.
Mga around 10, 11:30.
Ay, pag
Ay, pa-lunch
bonsai.
na. Sige, go.
So usually mga 9 or 10.
Di ba?
Mag-brunch. And more you're starting the day
mag-brunch.
together or sometimes kanang, especially nga naay kanang market sa Valencia, masabi market, diba? Kanang very early in the morning.
True.
Then, coffee, then mag-picture, post, diba? Magkatuan na, piga na yan.
Pare.
Pag chasing. And then, after, balik silang bala, mag-jurjur. Chara! Check! But, cute lang breakfast, no?
Yeah.
I think that's something na, but right now, lami po lang mag-OBT lang. Very college
Yeah,
ba?
the OBT thingy is very college
ka.
Okay, yung OBT.
Pero nabi ko yung mga friends ko, wala ka blog sa OBT.
Really?
Chara, tsaka.
You don't know what OBT is?
Naamon sila yung
Explain
motor.
naman.
Naapod sila or car. But ambot lang if ang concept sa OBT is a Siliman thing or if it's just a Dumaguete thing. One big tuyok na siya guys ang OBT. Sabot na magtuyok mo, obviously, from the name itself.
Pero feel ko it's Dumaguete thing man siguro.
No, feel lang ko to.
Not sure though. I've learned it sa naman when I was in Siliman.
Medyo mahal po if sa Manila mag-OBT kay medyo
Yeah,
traffic
true.
pa dyan. So medyo
LRT.
Dunggaban po lang to skilid.
Nakalami magod here in Duma kay we don't have traffic lights. So like
Underdeveloped Charo.
we don't have traffic lights, so like ditso if you want sa downtown lang mag-OBT, something
And
like
usually
that.
by 10 p.m., medyo hawan-hawan na
Yeah.
yun ang mga highway. Kay most of the people, especially on a weekend.
Pero it's a Dumaguete thing ra gyud kay Dumaguete, particularly Negros, is very small, so you can really tuyong pra gyud like go to Tayasan, ayungon nga nakamotor.
Actually,
If you've experienced that. Kami sa una sa college kusog kami
nakasulay ko, Dawin, Sambuanguita, Magadi, then ato sa beach, magpahangin. O intimate. Right?
Diba? Correct.
It's ngit-ngit ka, mukha mo ka. And then, usually ba,
Kami as a group niya.
kami ka.
Kami ra.
Okay, inigat mo Jika po niya po
Hey guys, ang one big tuyok dili ra for for kanang
Inigat ha.
relationship for
Pang friendship po
everyone.
ni siya.
Oh my God.
Hindi lang pang pamilya, pang
Siya lang.
spa.
Yeah, na siya.
Oh, but lamay mo na siya din kasi usually when we would go to mga Sambo or mga Dawi, mag-beach, kunuhay ka na mag-stargazing
Correct.
sa gilag ko biya jud.
Oh.
Kuan then napay mga tao magkuan pud ila ra pod sometimes mga
Yeah.
friends pagkaon ko sometimes mag-inom ang ganang uban, mag-chika-chika.
Before, like here in Dumaguete, before, especially katong college pa ta kay, we love the kanang, maybe because mga bata pa ta doon na patay energy to OBT,
No.
to stargazing, to...
So kaya mo siya pod gasto ka ay.
Yeah, like palit
Kasalina
ka.
ka, Jud.
Before magod palit ka gilimnon nga tag 2020, then padaghan na kay kang mainom, mahubog na ka.
Mo daghan mo,
Yes.
di ba dun? So pahangin na po usahay.
Yes.
Dayon magmuni-muni ano na
Correct.
gamayng finger dito. Chara, check ka lang. So mo to siya guys, intimacy.
Right.
So lamig ka siya. Intimate lang daw with each other, no?
Yeah.
Kaya na siya intimate.
Yeah.
Okay nga siya intimate.
Correct.
Especially kay wala si JP.
Yeah.
Char, check. Intimate.
Walay lang, ha?
Walay sabaan. So,
Walay
mo to
masyagi.
siya, guys. hopefully, kamo sa inyong balay, ga-practice po mag-intimacy. For those of you nga wala kabalagon sa intimacy, maybe it's the right time for you to start doing it. And yes, watch out for our next episode. Thank you for watching! Mwah! Plastic song? George Eka. I'll record mo na.
If you want us to discuss certain topics, or if you have stories that you want to share, you can message us through Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, or simply search Table 12 Productions and send your suggestion there. Please like, share this video, and subscribe for more content like this. See you on the next episode.